Hi and welcome to the Greenmoxie cooking channel. Today we're making waffles and we're going to put a slight Canadian spin on this by making s'mores waffles. Now I know that waffles are kind of tricky to make in the woods because it does require waffle iron, but I highly recommend that you get one. I absolutely love the smoky flavor that the campfire imparts to waffles, and of course you can make sweet or savory dishes with them, which makes them the perfect thing to add to your camping gear. Thank you for joining us here today. We absolutely love having you. Please subscribe if you want some regular cooking videos. There's also a book called Food on Fire. The link is in the show notes. And what I'd really like today is if you could leave a comment on the way that you like to eat waffles, sweet or savory, and we'll pick up the best ones from the comments and we'll do recipes on that as well. But for now, thank you. We love you. Bye.